Hi y'all. We're in week 6 now. We're in the second half of the term. We are past midterm. And I wanted to give you an overview of the rest of the term. Now, right past the syllabus, I put in the introductory material for the course, the due dates for the entire course. I'd like to look at that again. Hopefully you've already looked at it to give yourself a general idea of what's coming up, but I want to go over it totally with you. So we've already passed all of these, and now in week 6 we are firmly in working with the research paper. This week you've got the works cited draft that's due on Sunday. Not your final works cited draft, but just enough to let me know that there's research out there, that you know how to do it, that you've got a handle on it. Then next week, nothing due except on Sunday, the rough draft. So hopefully during week 6, you'll start to write, and then week 7, you'll spend the entire week finishing up your research and writing a rough draft to be shared on Google Docs with all the members of your group. Week 8, only one thing due. Now we're switching to Fridays. Friday, I want you to peer edit at least 2 classmates. You will have all week, you will receive them all by Sunday, and you'll have the rest of that week to work on the peer editing. Then you've got an entire week until week 9 when your research paper is due. That's your major assignment for the course. Then week 10 and 11, which is finals week, I've got 3 smaller assignments, hopefully fun for you to do. On Friday of week 10, I'll ask for you to basically translate your research paper into a different modality. You might want to try drawing something, doing a graphic novel, doing a PowerPoint presentation. I'll give you plenty of examples for that, a letter to the editor, a video, a blog posting. On Sunday, I will ask you for a self-reflection. You've noticed in this entire course, I care about what you think about yourself, your writing, what you're doing, why you're doing it. I'll ask you to talk about your own experience with social media. And then on Wednesday of finals week, instead of a final, we do not have a final in this class. You're welcome. I'll ask you to evaluate your writing. This is coming full circle, pun intended, to your first assignment, which was to tell me about your writing background. And now at the very end, I'm asking you what's going to happen to your writing in the future. Okay, quick overview. It's all here for you anytime you want to look at it. And you can ask me